Welcome back to the Easy Tech Steps channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to encrypt and password protect important files or folders on macOS using a built-in tool called Disk Utility. This method is extremely secure because it encrypts all your data and completely hides the file names inside without installing any third-party software. The process is very simple, and it only takes a few steps. First, create a new folder. Then move all the files you want to protect into that folder. Step 2. Open Disk Utility. You can find it by pressing Command-Space to open Spotlight. Type Disk Utility and press Enter. Step 3. Create a new disk image. In the Disk Utility window, look at the menu bar in the top left corner. Click File, choose New Image, then select Image from Folder. A new window will appear. Find and select the folder you prepared in Step 1, then click Choose. Step 4. Set up security. This is the most important step. At the encryption option, click the drop-down menu. You'll see two choices. The first one is 128-bit. It's faster and secure enough for most personal use. The second one is 256-bit. It's more secure, but data read and write speed will be slower. In this example, I'll choose 128-bit. Next, at image format, change it to Sparse Bundle Image. This option lets you create a virtual disk that can be modified later, so you can add or delete data anytime. If you want to learn more about what these options mean, check out the article I linked in the video description. Now, choose a location to save the disk image and click Save. After clicking Save, a new window will appear asking for a password. Enter the password you want to use to lock this folder, then click OK. Make sure you remember this password. If you forget it, the data cannot be recovered. At this point, you now have an encrypted .sparse bundle file that contains your data. For maximum security, delete the original folder, and don't forget to empty the trash. To access your data, simply double-click the .sparse bundle file and enter your password. A virtual drive will appear in the sidebar. You can use it just like a separate drive, such as copying new files in or deleting files. When you're done, to lock it again, you must click the eject icon to unmount the drive. If you don't eject it, the data is still accessible, and others may be able to view it. That's it. You've successfully created a secure encrypted folder on macOS. I hope this tip helps keep your data safer, especially when other people use your computer and you want to protect sensitive information. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.